Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, power off the PC, unplug it, and ground yourself with a wrist strap or touch metal. Remove the side panel and position the case where you have light and room. Don't waste time checking other components. Once open, identify a free 2, 5 bay or use a 3, 5 adapter. Grab the correct SATA data cable and an available SATA power connector from the PSU. Make sure mounting holes align. Proceed to mount the drive to the bracket or tray. Now mount the SSD, place it in the tray or adapter and fasten with screws, keeping them snug but not excessive. Once secured, route the SATA data cable to the motherboard and plug into a known port such as SATA 0. This helps with boot ordering later. Next, attach the SATA power connector from the PSU. Feel for a click to confirm. Once connected, tidy cables away from fans and moving parts, ensuring no strain on connectors and maintaining clear airflow. Reassemble the chassis, reconnect power and peripherals, then boot into BIOS or UEFI to verify the new SSD is detected. If it appears, set boot order as needed. Once in the operating system, initialize, partition, and format the drive via disk management or equivalent so it's usable. If the drive isn't visible, power down and reset the SATA data and power cables. Try a different SATA port or power lead. And finally, check for BIOS update.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.